everybody, I'm Covington Carlson, and I've been at Live Oak Bank for 6 years now, and for the past 3 years, I've been a loan officer on our independent insurance team.
And I'm Ryan Lattanzio. I'm a loan officer here on our independent insurance team. I've been on the team for 2 years, and I've been at Live Oak for just about 5 years now.
So what I think is unique about independent insurance agencies compared to some of the other industries we lend to at Live Oak is, one is recurring revenue. You know, a lot of different industries are based off one-time transactions, and in insurance, they actually build books of businesses that have renewals every year. The other is that it's resilient even in an economic downturn.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the only thing I'd add would be that it's a people business, and that makes it unique too. It's built on relationships, with your carriers, with your clients, and about building trust with those that you're working with.
So I think when independent insurance agencies are looking for a lender, there's a lot more they should be looking for than just the interest rate. And I think one of those is finding a lender that knows the space and the industry. And so at Live Oak, we've been lending to insurance agencies for over a decade now, and our underwriters and our closing team are specialized, and we see these deals day to day. And it's also important because a local bank might not know the business model and the business ins and outs like we do, since we're specialized.
Partner with a bank or a lender that's going to be able to grow with you. If you're only looking at doing one acquisition, that's fine, but if you're looking at doing numerous acquisitions over time, it's important to partner with a lender that has the ability to scale with you and is interested in doing numerous facilities with you. We're well positioned to grow with our customers for the long haul.
But perpetuation has been a big topic recently, and understanding that buying these businesses over time and planning ahead is very important. We tell people all the time that the earlier you can talk to the lender, the better, because if you wait too long to retire and you don't have a plan in place, and if you go to sell 100% of that business, it's going to be really hard to get that deal done. And so having a plan in place of knowing who you're going to perpetuate to, whether that be a key employee, a producer, or family, is very important, and we can help with that plan early on.
So the best agencies, in my opinion, have a really strong focus on organic growth, right? Acquisitions can be meaningful. They can help you, grow quickly in one time, but the real focus should be on organic growth consistently year over year. So you're going to want to make sure that, your sales velocity is strong, that your new commissions as a percentage of your overall commissions are growing year over year, and that, revenue per producer is strong and, above industry margins.
And I would just say growth is super important, and also maintaining culture while you're growing and not sacrificing service. Having a team that is aligned with long-term goals and you support them in those goals, and it's very clear of what you're trying to accomplish over time. So my favorite part of lending to independent insurance agencies is the one-off phone call I'll get from a borrower or a client after a deal is closed saying that we've created generational wealth for them, not only change their kids' lives, but sometimes change their grandkids' lives.
So one piece of advice I'd give to an independent insurance agent that's looking at, expanding or taking on capital is just build your team early, right? Get your lender, get your accountant, your CPA, and your attorney, your deal team together early. Create the plan, make sure that everybody's aligned so that as you're working through the deal, you're just that much more prepared. You're not running into any bottlenecks as you're going through the acquisition. It's never too early to loop us in. We're always happy to go over a deal, whether that's, early stages, pre-LOI, or even if you're a little bit further in process, just always looping us in early is key.
Yeah, and I would say being bankable and understanding really what that means. And so understanding your margins, where they are they industry standards, if they need to be increased, and how to work on that.
It's important to work with a lender that you trust. So if you want to learn more, feel free to reach out to us at our website at liveoak.bank/insurance.